Hello dear Libra, welcome back to my channel, and this is your last week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please do subscribe, and if you would like to know more about the personal readings, rituals or counseling sessions that I do, please stay tuned till the end. I will give you more information. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. Let's see how this week is going to be for you. We will start with your love life. You've got the Alchemist, the Abyss and the Temperance card. I do see that you guys are ready to settle down now. You want somebody in your life. You have been alone for a very long time and it's getting sort of tiring, right? It could be that a lot has changed in your life, like your priorities have changed. You were an adventurous person once, or you were very goal oriented, very career focused, right? Now your priorities have changed. You want somebody to be by your side as well. You also want kids or spouse or something like that, right? A happy home or somebody to come back to. I do see that somebody from your past is going to come back around this week. Yes, you heard me right. It is a Temperance card which talks about mingling of the past and future. It could be that you have decided to go back in the past to that person, or somebody is coming back around and you're still contemplating whether I should give this person another chance or not. I suggest that you listen to your intuition instead of your friends and family when someone turns up, because a lot has changed, like I said, in your life. Your priorities have changed. Probably this person is the same, right? If this person hasn't changed much and you have, this relationship might not work. Also, when this person comes back around, I want you to have a lot of self control. Don't get too excited or emotional, because I know some of you will be, because you have been expecting this person to come back. If yes, then you have to maintain a lot of balance, right? I also see that to get married, you'll have to maintain a lot of balance in your life, and you have to adapt to a lot of situations, which means that the way you have been living your life might not be the same, right? So you might have to adjust with your in-laws, with family. You will have to give equal time at home, probably do the household chores. So make sure that you not just are wishing for a marriage, but also are mentally and financially prepared for one. Because I do see some sort of change coming in your life, and you're advised to maintain a good balance, a healthy balance between work and a personal life, and also adapt to the changing circumstances as well. I also see that you are a wise person, so you will not jump into anything without giving it a thought. So please make sure that you make the right choice when somebody tries to come around, whether this is worth it or not. If not, you can always choose a new partner as well. That opportunity is also open for you. Okay. Now let's see what's happening in your career. Oh, by the way, there are some signs that has popped out. I would like to give it to you. Gemini, Aquarius and Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising. So these signs can be in your birth chart or can be in your partner birth chart, okay? Which is Aquarius, Capricorn, Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising. In your career, you've got the 10 of stars, the 1 of spades and the Hermit card. I do see that your professional life probably has not been very smooth. There has been ups and downs, and something happened in the recent past which you're not very happy about. Maybe you lost an opportunity, maybe you were asked to leave, or you quit a job, right? You're still stuck on it, and probably you're hopeful that that opportunity will somehow come back to you. If that's the case, probably you'll have to think twice, because I do see that you are in a hermit mode. You are overthinking a lot these days, and you're trying to make a decision or choice about a situation as well. I also see that some sort of truth will be revealed to you about a situation, maybe why you were asked to leave, or maybe why that opportunity did not come to you. You will also get to know a lot about the companies you are applying at. If you have your own business, some deal that did not work through, right, or some client that did not come to you, a lot of truth will be revealed. I also see that probably you will be happy also. So do your background check properly. Do see that that work environment was not toxic, that they were true to their word, they were not hiding anything for you from you. So if that is the case, then probably you will just choose to walk away from an opportunity that is being offered to you. Because if the opportunity is not good enough, is not true to their word, if they are not offering the same salary, if the work environment is toxic, I do see that you will feel relieved that you did not take up that opportunity, right? So there is a hope that will come back in your life. You will be very pleased that that opportunity passed you away, or you will be passing away an opportunity that comes your way because you found out something about it, right? So again and again, your reading is asking you to pay huge attention on your intuition, whether that's regarding your love life, who to get settled with, who not to, who to reject, who to accept, or what opportunity to take or no. All that will depend upon your intuition. I see you are a wise person. Your intuition is going to be very strong. So listen to your intuition. You will be able to make the correct decision this week, right? A very important week for you guys. And if you guys resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know what is exactly happening in your life. I will be reading them, liking them, and also I will try to reply to maximum people. Also, if you still have any questions or doubts, if you still would like to book a personal reading, go ahead. You can do that as well. I have various personal readings available, spiritual counseling sessions if you need a therapy guidance, if you have a lot of burden. I have special love oracle reading where you can know your partner's feelings, current feelings if you are in no contact. Other than that, I have different packages available for people who are single, who are in love, or looking for career, and every package will have a free remedy as well. I do rituals as well, easy, powerful rituals if you want without any extra ingredients or complications. So to book any kind of reading, you can either email me at astha@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please also follow me on Instagram because I'll only meet you here once a week. There I'm posting stuff on a daily basis, like what are the prices, what are the services, because I might not be able to verbally tell you about all the services I have. You will be able to check out the prices, the discounts, the rituals, the best time to do the ritual, and everything on a daily basis. Okay, so take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.